special guest,
Kayla.
So today we have pizza from
Papa John's.
French
French fries and chicken nuggets from Burger King.
And the sauce came with the pizza, so
And I don't really want to try it because I never tried it and I don't really like
and
it. Ketchup. And we have some barbecue, if you can't really see barbecue. The light's really bad in here because we're under her bed. And I'm a guest here, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put some ketchup, open that, so then we could dip our pizza in there. We're gonna try for the first time. If we don't like it, we wasted some of the pizza for nothing. I'm already eating the pizza because I couldn't wait. Okay.
This is sauce.
What?
It's sauce, guys. Yum. I don't like the sauce.
You don't like sauce?
No, I don't like sauce on pizza.
Me either. Let's try it for the fans.
No. Oh, just like a little bit.
Okay, let me smell it. No.
No.
Let's try it.
It tastes like you know.
Okay. I got more sauce. It's good. It's good actually. It's sauce, but it's like salsa. Just a little bit salsa.
Okay. I like the pizza, really.
I like it with the sauce. Oh, we actually never tried it with pizza. Barbecue sauce with pizza. Okay. So,
I know this can be kind of gross, guys, but it's not our fault.
it's kind of weird, but sometimes people like it. And you can't judge them. Oh my god, I can't say. Judge them.
Guys, if you hear the background, that's
It's a movie.
no. We have a other special guest.
My name is Alex. But he's watching the movie right now. So he's
No.
not gonna really come. No, he's coming.
No.
He's right there.
I don't know what to do. Okay.
Okay.
No, we have a baby special guest.
Her name is Baby Ruth Kimberly.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use my flashlight so it's better. Can't really see, but get the camera. And ready? Look at the food. Look, show the food. Now this is what we're eating, and look at my food.
Okay.
So you saw the.
No, wait. Don't do that. Wait. I have other thing. No. Just keep it like that. We have chargers here. You're in the 1999.
Okay. He right past right there. Okay, so now we're gonna use it with barbecue sauce. If I like this, I'm gonna dip it. It's usually for French fries and chicken nuggets, but who cares? No. Okay, I got some. Ready?
I'm gonna watch YouTube now. I'm gonna watch that foot now.
I like it. I love barbecue. It's good.
Oh, ketchup.
You don't eat ketchup yet. No, I'm gonna try it with ketchup. She already tried it.
My charger. My charger. My charger, no! This is where my iPad's go. I'm recording my iPad, so I can't just do it. Okay.
So the ketchup and barbecue, it's good. But I like barbecue better. It just tastes like a little bit better, you know? I feel so dumb because this video's on when you guys are watching us eat.
And I do this every time.
She's like, you don't do it every time. We did it with the water last time. Check her last video the last update. Remember the water thing that we did? Was it your last update and this is the new one? Or did you do more than Or when,
The new update.
like the
What? Chun!
the water. Mande. Va a llorar.
I'll bring her.
Never, Nana, never. Oh my gosh, she's always this with my baby sister. I don't know why. My baby sister cries a lot.
But don't.
Okay. I'm gonna get a chicken nugget. Don't tell her. Shh, no, 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 no. She's coming.
So here is a special little guest. The little baby Kimberly.
She likes to be in videos.
Nice smile.
Oh, and if you guys could follow me on TikTok, keyla12, that'll be a lifesaver because she has more than me right now because I lost my other account. I got 200 and I lost my other account, so now, yeah.
I didn't.
So, yeah, so please follow me and follow her also, but not too much because I need more than her.
What you do?
But I already got to 100 followers, so.
Hey, I have more than you.
Yeah, but I'm going to catch up to you.
What you doing? I'm about to have 10,000 likes.
No, you're not.
Uh-huh.
How much likes do you have now?
I don't know. I don't have the phone. She can have a piece. She can have everything. Except for like, oh my god, Chun, you're so annoying.
Did you know that this baby could eat Takis?
Uh-huh. She can actually eat Takis.
She bit a Taki before because she ate one of my Takis and it wasn't even spicy for her. Oh my god. Ah!
She wants to be the spotlight.
Okay.
Chun!
French fries.
There's so much food on the plate, so that's why.
Okay.
She's like, food.
Watch out for your head, Chun.
Oh, you want you to carry her, so that's why.
Take our shoes.
Take off your socks too. When I took baby Dina's feet out, I was doing this to her feet like this.
I tortured you guys a lot. Now, we don't have that much pizza, so we're gonna like save it a little. So now we're gonna try the chicken nuggets. No, actually the French fries, because the chicken nuggets are for last for the best. French fries with barbecue sauce. Mmm. What? Why'd you say shoo? Why'd you give?
I said, shh, baby, Kimberly, we're doing a YouTube video.
I'm gonna try chicken.
Me too.
Yeah, look, look at me. Like,
So guys, that's all for the video. I hope you're doing very, very good and stay safe.
And stay safe. Always wear masks outside when you're going outside because it's really important so then you don't get the COVID-19.
And subscribe and turn on notifications and like this video because we're about to get like no subscribers.
Yeah. Because they're not that good.
Yeah. See.
Oh my god, she just called you not good.
Wait. Let's just give a little kiss to this baby.